Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to access data folder in Android 13. So my friends, if I try and go to my data folder, for example, let me try and do that on my phone right now. So let us go to the Android folder and press on data. And as you can see, I can't access items, and it tells me to try using Android Storage Access Framework instead. So this is actually a very easy and working method on my particular model of the phone to access, well, actually have full access to this folder. So in my case, I can just press open, right? And in here, I just go to Android, I go to data again. And as you can see in here, I have all the folders with the data of my apps. So this is basically how it's done, guys. And yeah, I'm not really sure if this is going to work in your case, but in my case this works just fine. So basically use this different app that lets you access this folder and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If this helped, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.